Everybody is welcome for our channel. Uh, Today we are talking about uh, renewable energy solutions for the energy crisis in the world. We know everybody is today we are fighting with nations to nations, sometimes country to country, to get energy sources like oil, gas, sometimes coal, like that. What is the meaning of this fight? Actually nothing, because as we know, these sources are getting from the earth. Getting from the earth means it is a natural disaster. Otherwise it will harmful to our earth, our air and our lives. Then if we stop, if we not utilized these energy sources, it will benefit for everybody, not only human, other animals and other living beings also. It's very helpful. For this purpose, we can use solar power, solar energy, because this is the green energy. It comes from the sun. There is no any harmful to anybody living in the earth. Then today we are explaining how we can get solution for this energy crisis. Then we can understand how solar systems, it means solar energy, it will affect for our economic, sometime for our environment, sometime our entire health. You know that if we use coal fuel, it means it is like oil or gas, it is very harmful to our environment. You know that today every living beings are facing for our global warming. Global warming means, you know that after we getting those energy, then we are after we using them, we are sending, otherwise we are supplying harmful airs, about more than 200 harmful airs we are supplying to the environment. It means they will badly affected for our earth. It means, as we know, our ozone layer definitely damaged by those energy sources when we are using. It's very harmfully affect to the ozone layer. It will damage to the ozone layer. After that, it will our climate will change, then climate will harmful to the living beings. The result is glacier will dissolve, then water level will be high. The result is most of islands disappear, because this environmental crisis is going like that. Then now we are introducing, everybody knows in the world, solar power. From the solar power we can use everything. It is everything which we are using, which we are utilizing with other normal energy sources like fuel, gas and coal. Then if we reduce our usage of these type of energy, if we introduce solar energy, from the solar energy everything we can do, every matters we can settle down with the solar power. Then when we are using the solar power, automatically other energy sources, utilizes energy sources will be reduced. The result is it is very helpful to keep environment on the world. Then for every matters, it means to do the transport, to do the electricity matter, or to do the other gas related utilization. For every matter it is very helpful, the solar energy. If somebody needs more information about the solar products, we can send more details, more products and more advice. Then if we do this thing get together, the entire life will be light. Everybody's in the world. Thanks. I am Dr. P.V. Kularatna. Everybody's know this industry called PV industry. I am the founder of lot of organizations in the world. Then kindly I am requesting to subscribe our channel, to do the like and other comments. Every comments are welcome. Every comments we are replying for every comments, and we are very thankful for our colleague, our partners and our friends.